Hello everyone, welcome to Team Lewis channel, and in this short video I will show you how to fix origin error. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, then hit subscribe button and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix this issue, first of all go to start menu and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video, and hope so it will fix your issue. So now after completing all these steps, just restart your PC and hope so your issue is fixed. But that's all for this video, and if you like this video then hit like button, also don't forget to subscribe.